We are now recording voice. Thank you.
All right, sounds good. Hey everyone, my name is Oais and I am a senior product manager at Syllaby and been with Syllaby for almost 2 years now. And it's been a great journey. We have developed an amazing tool, and since we launched it, every single month, every single week, we are trying to push in some exciting feature for you guys, which is help you guys to create your videos with the help of AI more faster and create videos which are actually getting viral on the social media, for example, faceless videos. Before that, it was the avatar videos, which you can still create within the syllabi. And not just the AI avatars, but you can actually clone your own avatars and then create all those videos. So it's just it's the avatar, then the faceless videos itself, and on top of that, if you want to move really fast and if you want to really achieve the YouTube automation level, you can actually create videos in bulk within the Syllabi app, and that basically allows you to generate a content that's for like a full month within a couple of hours. So in today's session, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna touch base all these pieces, and then I will be able to give you guys a demo that how to, search for a viral topic or idea within the syllabi, and then how you can create um, 30 or 20 or 25 or 20, 50 videos as per whatever you want. Those number of videos based on your own a decision and then automatically publish all those videos to the social media channels. And then we're also going to touch base somewhere around the character consistency, which is the latest feature that we just rolled out this week. And it basically allows you to literally create tons of videos with the same character. And you can actually create thousands of episodes about around one single character. So we're also gonna touch base that as well, and then um, analytics, some other core features that we have within the Syllabi, which basically makes this whole all-in-one solution for you guys if you really want to kickstart your career or your YouTube automation, or if you really have some plans to earn through YouTube by monetization your channel. So yeah, that's what we're gonna cover in this demo. So give me a sec, let me go ahead and share my screen and then we can begin. All right, I'm going to share my screen, and guys, let me know if at any point my screen is stuck, and I'll probably then ask someone else from my team to, share the screen. So just let me know if you stop seeing my screen. So now you can see my screen, right?
Yes, we can. Thank you.
All right, awesome. Okay, so all right. So this is the Syllabi dashboard once you get within the Syllabi. And what it does is, if you have noticed, what I'm seeing right now here is my next topic that I can create my videos on. As you can see, my last video was about Batman, right? And DC. So what it does is it basically gives me some topics. Let's say there's Wonder Woman, the secret weapon against Superman, Wolverine versus Batman, who's the real superhero icon, and Superman's kryptonite, Superman joined Avengers, top most outrageous Batman gadgets. So literally, once you get into the syllabi, you don't really have to start thinking about like, what you're gonna really need to work on. Your topics based on your past activity is already right in front of you. So what you can do is you can actually either add this topic as a favorite that you can access from here, or you can create a video right away based on that topic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this one topic as an example, and I'm going to show you guys that how I'm going to convert this just one topic into a series of videos. So for example, this is my favorite topic is Wonder Woman, but I'm gonna actually pick a different one. Let's go back. So I'm gonna like Wolverine versus Batman. That seems, pretty good. So I just pick up this topic, right? Now, this is my preset video classic view. I can go to the 2.0 view as well. And you have literally so much control on this screen. You have all these genres. Now we have more video types, video vault, which is a moving background that stays in the video while your video is running, script and the subtitles and the music, and then the B-roll videos where we basically extract the stock footage from the stock platforms. So these are the free videos that you can use. So we stitch those videos and create a stunning video for you. Literally in video right here, just in front of you. And then a URL to video. So you can basically provide one URL here and it will then fetch some information. I'm not sure if I was looking for any URL before. It's right now we're supporting Shopify, Zillow, Redfin, eBay, and Amazon. So if you are part of any, or if you're, selling their products, you can literally create these videos by simply providing the URLs. It can create a video for you, and then you can further edit it based on your requirement. So about 80% or 90% of the work is pretty much done based on that. Now, coming back to the point, that was my topic, Wolverine versus Batman. Who's the real superhero icon? Okay, I can pick up all the voices from here. I usually go with Patrick because it has like more loud and social media oriented voice. Now I can pick one of these my style. Now here's the thing, I already have this preset. So preset is basically um, when you start your career with using automation and wanted to monetize your channels, you're not just only working on one channel, you're working on more than one channel, two, maybe three, sometimes four or five channels. So what we let you do is that you can create these presets within the syllabi. What does that mean? It means that we will gonna remember your preference and your configuration for your particular channel. So for example, if I created this preset for my comic channel. So once I select it, you see what's gonna happen. It basically changes my image style, my genre to comic book. It changes my aspect ratio. It changes my subtitle, my language, and then it changes the video length. What that means is literally have to click all these options one by one. I just click on one option and everything is done, boom. And not even that, in the advanced options, I have my background music pretty much set up. These animation effects are pretty much set up. I uh, I already defined that in which folder my videos should go in and what should be the image transition, right? So this is the power of the preset. So if you are creating all these videos and you really want to move fast, so preset is the option for you that you can literally set up like 3, 4, 5 presets as per your YouTube channel, and boom, you just come in, you just select your preset, and you just give the topic, and you do AI this job. So for example, this is my topic, and I'm just gonna hit generate script, and it's gonna generate my script within this video length range. It's probably gonna take a time, but yeah. And while generate a script, we charge 1 credit for 1 minute script. And if you have a custom script, you can always opt for that. Here's the custom script option. And if you want to convert a blog or article into a video, which is very famous, so you can actually give us the link of the article or the blog, and then we will be able to convert that into a video for you. Either you can choose B-roll videos, you can choose some background video, you can choose some AI images. It's entirely up to you, but this is the power and the ability on the script level side for you guys. So you see, this is my script right here, and it actually shows me the estimated length of the video as well. So 10 minutes, 2 seconds. Now it's up to me if I wanted to modify this. I wanted to add some more CTA to that. at the end of the script, or I wanted to edit my script, but I just wanted to make the length a little bit more shorter. So for example, I'm going to go with less than a minute. So it's going to tell me video length is too long. So I'm going to just hit the script regeneration. And since that was my preset, right, which I already saved with 5 to 10 minutes, it prompted me immediately that you have some unsafe changes. Do you want to go ahead and override these changes? So it's on my decision if I want to do it or not. But since I don't want my presets to be touched or changed or have make changes in any way, so I'm going to leave it as it is. But if I want to do it, I will be able to update the existing one, or I can just create a new one. So if I hit save as new, I will be able to see an option here to enter the preset name that will eventually later appear in this dropdown. So our script is here. Wow. So, you can see the estimated video length. It's 49 seconds. Now, why we call it estimated? So we call it estimated because, based on the script and sometimes the pauses and everything, the variation of the speech might differ. And we charge 13 credits for a 1 minute video. So that basically happens on that. So if your video is more than, 1 minute, then it's going to be charged you 26 credits, right? So, I mean, that's why we usually recommend our users, if you're creating a video, try to keep your script like within 50, 51, 52, 53 seconds. So if there's like a 2 or 3, 4 seconds buffer, it should be able to cover. So let's go ahead and create the video, and let's see what's come out. And now that's the very important step. So as I, generate my video, I immediately prompt with some other options. Like I was really looking forward to this Deadpool one. So now I have these options again based on my scripts, my recent activity, that what's trending. So I will be able to see what should be my next video topic. And again, I don't really have to start the option from the scratch. I just literally pick any of these topic and I can start creating my video once again. Or I can go to a blank canvas, or I can go to the my video. So that's the typical journey where the faceless video creations end. Now, I want to tell you guys something more. So hear me out. So this is idea discovery, right? What it does. So how many of you want to know that what exactly people are searching online, and they are actually entering those keywords, and you should have those keywords in your title. Let me show you guys. For example, this is our idea discovery page. So we established Syllabi. You come within the Syllabi and you select the platform, right? So for example, I pick YouTube, and for example, I want to try with, I'm gonna go with Wolverine, but comic is something that I like do, so I'm gonna try with or I think maybe I have some searches in the past. Oh yeah, for example, the Batman. I did Batman, right, in the past. So you see what I'm here. So like 1.2 million people are actually searching on YouTube right now. What is the order of Batman movies? They are literally typing this within the YouTube, and this is, we have this third-party tool integrated that basically pick up those questions which are people searching online on YouTube, and then we show it to our user. We tell them like what's the trend, how many search volume associated with that keyword, and you can literally see that people are crazy or they want to know the order of the Batman movies. So if I want to create a video on that one, I just simply click on it. I only prompt that whether you're going to create an avatar video or a faceless video, but faceless video right now dominating the market, right? So that's something I would really want to go. So, and the other one is who played Batman in 2050 movie? What are Batman's superpower? And that's one of the topic that I created, and I think one of my video performs really well. I think I actually got like a long form video, 200 something views on that one. So yeah, that's something I did on this one, right? And what are Batman? Best comic, gadgets, Gotham City located, is Batman stronger than Superman? Wow. Yeah. So things like that. So this is the power of the idea discovery, and it's not just only related or limited to the YouTube. It actually on Google Trends, Google, Instagram, X, um, Pinterest, Bing, and TikTok. So it's your choice which platform you want to create your content for, or on which platform you're targeting to get your channels monetized or your account monetized. So you can actually literally get the trending keywords that people are searching online from the syllabi within the syllabi, and then you can create a video on it right away. Any questions, Jao, Don, that we can take while our video is being generated?
So far, none from the chat. So guys, if you are going to be requesting a one-on-one demo, if you would want a one-on-one demo, I'm sending you the link in the chat box while Awais is waiting for the video to generate. Thank you.
All right. Okay, so let's take a look at our video. So these are all my comic videos. They are coming right away in that folder. You see, so my video screen is not getting cluttered. I know this is my folder. This is where all the videos will gonna come. And Wolverine versus Batman, who's the real? So let's take a look at that one. Wow, that's actually a really good one. So you see all my subtitles are here in the same style. And this is the landscape video, like more of a long form video. And now the cool thing is that I can actually go and I can edit the images that has been generated with the AI. That basically allows me to control the content. For example, now these are all the images. If I see, okay, I want to move this one to the first frame, I should be able to do it by just simply dragging and drop. Let me show you what it's done. I think, yeah. See, I can even do that. And on top of that, if I wanted to make any, if at some point I forgot, the image transitions or visual effects or stuff like that, I can still make these edits, right? And one of the cool features that I want to, show it to you guys with Syllabi, that we can actually add motion to our images. What it does, let me show you an example. So this is the video, this is just one image, and that's how it's going to look like when the motion will be added. And it's just like one example, but I can actually control this one as well. So if I wanted to add motion to this one, I can actually, like shaking hands and enjoying, um, enjoy. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna hit on add motion, and now this motion will be added to the image. So these images will be have like motion added to them, right? So it's going to be like more and more interactive content that you can create. And it's not just that, you will be able to publish your videos to the social media channel. And that's the next thing that I wanted to show to you guys, that how we help you to generate viral content from the beginning till the end. And that's like, and why the Syllabi is a complete package for you guys from the beginning till the end. I can take care of my subtitles if you find that some of them are not being generated correctly or there's some of the mistake, because it's AI and sometimes AI would be acting up a little bit. So it's just precaution. So I'm actually gonna stick with that one, and while the motion is being added, I want to take you guys to the bulk scheduler. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard, and I'm actually gonna go back to the favorite topics here. And this is now what I'm telling you guys is how I can turn one topic into, 50 or 20 videos. I can click on bulk creation, and you see my topic is here. Now I can pick up my social media channels where I want these videos to be published. Now it asks me that how I how I how I want my description to be generated, or the tags, hashtags. I can enable the toggle, or if I want to add some call to action, I should be able to do it. Like and subscribe our page, or something like that. If I wanted to do it in the beginning of the description, or after that, I should be able to control this. Now this here, it allows me that I can select the duration of my bulk scheduler. Like, let's say I want to run it for 15 days, and then I want 2 videos per day. So it tells me that one video should go out at 9 a.m. and other video should go out at 9 p.m. So it says my total videos are 30 and my duration is 15 days. Boom. I hit the next. Now my base topic is one that I choose. So what AI gonna do is it's gonna collect or generate the script around the main topic, which is this. Is Wonder Woman the secret weapon against Superman? So now we have trained our AI model in a way that it's gonna, find out different, comic references or actual, incidents that has been covered in the cartoon, the comics, or the movies. So we will be able to see that how it's gonna come out. So I can again select the comic, nothing. I don't really have to do anything. I'm just gonna stick with 1 minute and I'm just gonna change the portrait from landscape to the portrait, which is best suitable for you know, um, YouTube shorts. That really helps you to get your content viral as quickly as possible. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna generate the script. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna create 30 scripts based on just one topic. See, these are my 2 videos, and this is my days. So my bug scheduler is going to be scheduled. Now, if you've noticed, um, I'm gonna get a separate title for my video or the script, and then I'm gonna get the script for that one. And like I said, again, I can edit this script, but I just need to make sure my estimated video length is within the range. And similarly, I can go and I can check all the scripts on every single date, and I will be able to toggle between these two scripts. Okay, this is a Wonder Woman Tactical Genius, and the other one is breaking down Wonder Woman combat skills. So you see what's happening. So AI basically creating the content around the parent topic. So all the content will be related to each other. So when that bulk scheduler will gonna run, your user will begin to see a consistent content on a one particular niche. So that's how we help to build the habit of consistency from the on the viewer's point of view and on your end as well. So my script is ready. All I need to do is I just need to hit that generate video button, and I will be able to create these 30 videos within the Syllabi. Literally don't have to do anything. They're just gonna get created. They're gonna get dumped into the folder on my video, and they're also gonna schedule automatically on the calendar. You see, that's how it's gonna work. If I show you, yeah, these are all my schedulers that I run in the past, and these are all the videos that I publish. Any questions so far, Joe, before we go to the next exciting part?
So far, none. Thank you.
All right, awesome. Okay, so our ad motion is done. So let's take a look. How does that come out? All right, shaking hand, very nice. See, so that's how it is. Let's do it. Okay. All right. Good job, guys. So that's gonna be like for 5 seconds, right? So and this is going to be part of my video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually swap their position once again. I'm gonna save this video. So saving video means is that whatever changes I've made, now they again gonna run through the video, right? And that's why we have disabled everything. And if you guys must have noticed, it says save changes to enable actions, right? So that's why we do that because initially our users were getting confused that they don't they just add the motion and then they just download the video game, but they don't really save the videos, and that was the confusion. So we just remove that one. So yeah, that's the video. So I'm gonna go back to my videos, and meanwhile we have checked the scheduler. I'm gonna show you guys the analytics. So what analytics does? So that analytics basically, just an example. You see, this is one of my video that I published on this channel, and you can see it shows me that how many views I've got so far on this video, right? And how many comments I have so far on this video, right? Similarly, for the Thunderbolts, you guys see 943 views, one comment. So in the analytics, 117 videos. I think this is something that I've created on the mental health, peace over chaos. something like that. Okay, and I can go to the next page. Let's see what we have here. You know, groundbreaking realistic film, 450 views, 16 views, 534 views. Oh, that's a good one. Exploring details in artwork. 105 views, 1,005 views. Okay, 1,500 views. Very nice. Good. You see, I publish it on LinkedIn, YouTube, and everywhere. And then 1,072 views. And that's what basically, this is something that I was trying with the post-apocalypse, you know. So, I mean, that means that this niche seems to be attracting quite a good audience. And similarly, so whatever I'm going to publish on a social media account, which is connected with the Syllabi, I will be able to, see that information. So this video was published on March 30th, and it already generated 1,105 views. And decoding Norse mythology, it already generated 1,079 views. So as you can see, we will be able to sync all these information for you on real-time basis. So if you have 4 channels, then switching those channels on your app, that's time consuming. But if you have Syllabi, you literally don't have to go, like on that, on all those channels one by one. On the Syllabi, you just simply have be able to, see all the information here, right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at our video and how as it comes out. So, okay, this is our video. Now the best part. Since we have generated the video and then we added motion to the video, now I'm going to publish that video to the social media platform. And how Syllabi helped me to get my video viral? Let's take a look. So I'm going to generate this description based on the AI because keywords, some people say it doesn't matter, some people say it does matter. And I say when YouTube allow you to enter some text, why don't you do that? You just do it, right? So I hit next, and here's the best part. It's loading. So I will be able to generate if I'm not, liking my title, I will be able to regenerate it based on the, you see, I'll be able to do it. And if I don't like my content, I will be able to regenerate that. My description. I think one thing that I wanted to show you guys, I think I might not be able to because this video is less than a minute. Let me show you guys with this one. Okay. So this is the video which was 11 minutes long, right? And I'm actually gonna do the same thing. So what I was trying to show you guys is that you can actually create the YouTube thumbnails within the Syllabi with the help of AI by just simply providing this description. Let me show it to you guys. So for example, you have created a video within the Syllabi and now you wanted to publish it to YouTube, but you need a catching thumbnail that help you to grab, viewership from the audience, right? So what you can do is you can just simply by using the description of the script, you can actually create all these thumbnails within the Syllabi. So icons clash. That's Batman with Wolverine. I mean, I probably wouldn't go with that one. Not much of a detail. I'll just pass that one. Hero DNA. I mean, the image is good, but the text is not good. So I'll probably pass that one. Legends Rise. Oh, I kind of like that one. It shows me a clear picture of Wolverine and Batman, although they're black, but they clearly deliver the idea that, okay, yeah, that's the one. So I can actually select this one, right? And when I publish, it's going to use that thumbnail on the YouTube. So what users are going to see is they will going to see these thumbnails, right? And if you want to try YouTube thumbnail A/B testing, you can actually download these thumbnails too, right? I'm going to click on regenerate and I'll see that what else I got. Yeah, Legend Rise and that one, okay. pretty intense. I can flash. Okay. I think still need to do a little bit more. I mean, the better your description is, the more better it's gonna be, right? That's the catch. Let's give it another try. Okay. All right. Okay. That's probably the complete Wolverine. I'll probably want to go with that one. All right. I'll probably go with this one. Yeah, I know I see Batman holding a knife, but yeah. But yeah, this is something that you can actually create within the Syllabi, and when you have to go to any of the platforms. So that's a complete all-in-one solution for you guys, starting from the finding a viral topic and then creating a video with just a few clicks, and not just one video. You can actually create like tens and 15s and 20 videos in a single go, and then you should be able to generate the thumbnail and then publish these videos automatically, entirely and completely from the Syllabi. We have our, some users who are actually automated this whole thing, and they've been monetizing this kind of like crazy. And it's again, when you have the viral topic or question around, you can create a video. It's just that the rest of the work is automatically going to be taken care of by Syllabi, from creation till the distribution to the social media channel. So yeah, that's the end journey. And I already show you guys that what exactly you can achieve within the analytics. And then we have a standalone feature, which is, our thumbnail generation. So you can actually don't really have to rely on the script itself. You can actually provide your own instructions, right? And then you will be able to, like, for example, Batman and Wolverine facing each other, angry, battle mode, text overlay says who wins in bull in solid yellow color. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Our text overlay says, let's try this. Syllabi. Let's see. And I think the turnaround time is okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. That quick. All right. Wow. That's cool. You know, I mean, wow. That's like, the I can actually instruct it in a way, facing each other, yellow color, comic book style, right? Which basically resonates with the genre or the AI image style that I've picked, right? Because you need to remain consistent with the content, or with the thumbnail type of the thumbnail that you are creating. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, yeah, that one is good. Oh man, I don't really want to try that. Yeah, it's misspelled the spelling, but yeah. So it just entirely based on your prompt, and how clearly you're giving the prompt, and how accurately you are defining what needs to be done, and the rest will be taken care of by AI. So yeah, that's the overall functionality that we have in place. And the last thing that we just rolled out this week, um, we have character consistency in place right now, and it's offered for limited image styles. For example, this is for action movies. You see this icon right on the top. This is for the action movies, and for comic book, and for realistic cartoon. So, you can actually pick one of these options, and you will be able to see all the characters that we are supporting for that particular style. Let me create one of these for you guys. Okay, so this is for So this is for, okay, this is for action movie. I want to try with animated cartoon. Okay, here it is. So for example, I wanna try with this guy, Haruto. So I pick up this guy and I come here and I want to write a custom script like Jack is a shopkeeper, wakes up 8 a.m. in the morning, go for a run and then go to the gym and then open his shop, right? So basically, the idea is that a lot of people do in South Asia and other countries do this daily vlogging, where they create small videos throughout their day and then they do a voiceover at the end of the day and they just, stitch their videos, right? But the only catch in that video is that we see a person consistently, right? Whether it's a male, female, kid, or anyone. What Syllaba lets you do is that you can create these videos with the consistent characters, right? Let me show you how. So I pick up this guy, right? So let's go ahead and let's generate this video. So I'm just gonna stay here on this screen because the script is pretty short. So let's see how quickly it comes out. And meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, if you guys want me to try something that relates to your use case, I'll be happy to do that. Okay, there we go. So based on the script, that's what came out. Let's take a look at that one. The shopkeeper, that's an introduction, wakes up at 8 a.m. morning for a run and then open his shop, right? So, as you can see, this character is consistent throughout the video, from face to the hair. It does change the clothes based on the description, but you can see that with the character consistency, you cannot just create 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can actually create 5 or 10 minutes video based on the consistent character. And on top of that, you can still do the magic, adding the motion. So that really gonna help you to, make your video even more engaging and more, likable by the users. So that's the power of the character consistency that we've just rolled out this week. And yes, you can create bulk scheduler based on a character consistency, based on a consistent character. And all the videos are on the same character. So, just imagine, people are seeing like a consistent content from you about a character that basically talks about maybe a crypto geek or maybe something or somewhere around the mental health or I mean, we have like actually, really cool characters. I already want to show it to you guys. Give me a sec. So if you're into like, uh, South Asia, Indian, something like that, so you will be able to try out some pretty good characters that we have. And we basically cover all the races and different ages. So, that's gonna be really fun, right? If you're in, ninja movies, why not? Try one and let's see how it comes out, right? And then similarly, we have in the realistic art. You wanna start a kids channel? This is the right place for you, right? I mean, who would not want to see a video, where Zion is, playing around in the park with the football, baking cake with her father and mother, you know, I mean, imagination, sky's are the limit, right? So you just need to pick up a character that basically suits your narrative or your story, and you just need to pick it up, create a script around it, and boom, Syllabi will be able to create all these videos for you with this consistent character, not in just one video, but all the videos. So yeah, I guess that's all I have. If we have any more questions, or Jao or Nicole, Dawn, if you guys want to take a stage for some time, stage is all yours.
No questions so far, always. Nicole, would you want to give any final words as well before we close?
So, hey guys, what's up? It's me, Nikki, or Nicole, whichever one you like to call me best. I was just going to kind of piggyback off of what Awais was saying. So, we have been getting so many requests for the consistency of characters, you guys, and so what I have been thinking about is I know a lot of you guys are moms and dads like me, or some of you are, and I was thinking about like a channel. You could create a channel where you do like story time videos for younger people, you know, kids basically, and you could do that. You could do, let's say you wanted to create a channel where you're featuring true crime stories. Okay, now you can have like a so you know how on YouTube there's like really popular true crime creators, like Annie Elise is one of my favorite creators. You could create a whole channel based around like a host, and that host, you know, is the consistent character that's going to show up in every one of your videos, and that will be the host of the videos. That way, when people are watching your videos, even if it's not you in them, they'll get consistently comfortable with that host, you know, that you're utilizing to make those videos with the consistency of character. So I just think that that's going to open up so many new avenues for those of you guys that are trying to like choose niches and start making content. But just remember, like when you're getting started on your content creation journey, don't get discouraged. Just start. You know, so many of us will procrastinate trying to make everything perfect and we'll never produce any content because we get stuck in that rut of wanting it to be perfect and just procrastinating and we never ever put anything out. I see this happen with so many of my friends. They want to start making content, but they pick apart everything they do and they never end up making content. You can start making content and you could go viral tomorrow. That's how much this is happening for so many people online. It happened for me. It's happened for Austin. It's happened for so many other people that are making content that are utilizing Syllabi. So don't give up and keep making content. And we're always here to support you. I hope you guys will join the Facebook group and the Discord channel. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I think that having that consistency of characters is going to open up so many different avenues for people when creating their niches and their channels. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys make.
Great. So thank you so much, Nicole. And Awais, would you want to close up for us? Thank you.
Sorry, Jao, did you?
Yes. Would you want to close up the webinar for us? Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So here's the deal, right? I think at some point you really want to try out something, and you know there are crazy tools coming out every day, right? But they just tell the half of the story, right? You know, they show you the final result, but they don't really show you what exactly it takes to create that type of video, right? But what we have just go over in this demo, in this webinar, that how exactly you can create all these videos. And I'll literally walk you guys through that. You know, it basically takes like minutes, not even hours, right? So I would say give it a try. We have 7 days free trial. You can create 3 videos. Come in, give it a try, and if it makes sense, give yourself a shot, because I think the next time that is coming in, that's faceless video will gonna dominate the whole YouTube and the whole social media. People will not be looking at the real characters and stuff like that. I mean, it's not everything is gonna be replaced by the AI. Though, I mean, the way we are creating the content. So give it a try and see if it works for you. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, everyone. See you all again next week. And watch out for the recording if you'd want to see the recording again within the next couple of days. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you always for today. Bye.
Thanks, guys.